Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use message to reveal sticker on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to create an Instagram story. I'm going to launch my Instagram application and I'm going to click on your story right here to create an Instagram story. And then I'm going to upload an image from my device. For example, I'm going to upload this one. Okay, and then to get the message to reveal sticker, you're going to go to the sticker menu, and here you are going to choose reveal. All right, and here you can type in something related to your story, and I'm just going to add guess what, like this, and then this story will be blurred and people can see it after they message you. Okay, then click on done and you can place the sticker on any part of your story. I'm going to place it right here, and before you share it to your story you can see the preview. Okay, and this is how the story will look to anyone who hasn't messaged you to reveal it. All right, and then I'm going to share it to my story. Okay, and then I'm going to switch to my second Instagram account to view it. Wait guys, it's still loading. All right, and now the story has been uploaded, and then I'm going to switch to my second Instagram account. Okay, wait guys. All right, and then I'm going to view my Instagram story. Okay, and as you can see guys that my story is being blurred, and if we want to view the image we have to send message. I'm going to send emoji, for example, like this, and after we send message or reaction, the story or the image that is blurred will appear like this. Okay, all right. And then okay guys, that's all the way to use message to reveal sticker on Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.